Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here today. Let's do a reading for this upcoming week. We have tea leaf cards, we have tarot cards, and we have oracle cards and some number cards. So let's start with your tea leaves. Oh, you are highly thought of. Next card. Wishbone. A wish is granted. So maybe you are being remembered. Someone is remembering you for something that you have done for them. Or maybe someone is remembering you who has been away from you and is waiting for you to come and meet. Maybe you are taking some leave and you are going on a vacation to meet family, friends, partner. And the other card, a wish is granted. This definitely says that if you have some wish in your mind this week, you may see a way to fulfill it. You may see that a path opens up to you to so that you can walk towards your goal, your wish. Universe is telling you that work towards it, and whatever wish you have in your mind, it is granted by the universe already. All you have to do is act and go towards it. Mountain. Major challenge to overcome. So it's already you are on top of the mountain and you have climbed the mountain and you have met the challenge head on. That challenge can be in your work life, in your personal life, but looks like you have already climbed the mountain here. Ladder. Climbing towards success. As I was saying, that you have already climbed a challenge and you are going to be climbing towards success. I'm not seeing any big major challenge for you. All I am seeing is a path opens up, a ladder comes for you so that you can climb and you can move towards success. So this week is going to be a wonderful week for you, my dear viewers. Let's look at the angel number cards. Goodbye. The chapter has ended. Something in your life is over. This is poignant. The present moment requires you to say goodbye. It's okay to be sad, to mourn what was. Your angels hold you at this time. Repeat this mantra a few times until it begins to sink in. I allow myself to heal at my own pace. And the second one, spiritual download. Prepare for new knowledge. This is an alert from your guides. Your angels are indicating that you will be receiving new information in the form of realizations, wisdom, and emotions. Sit in meditation and focus your energy on opening your crown chakra, the top of your head, in preparation for this divine light. Picture loving light flowing into you with ease through the top of your head into your entire being. So as I was saying, there was a mountain for you to climb in last few weeks or maybe months, and you have already climbed that mountain. Maybe it was something that has ended, maybe some job or maybe a business or maybe some friendship. I don't know. You apply it to your situation, but something you have said goodbye to. I believe that something was very difficult and challenging for you, but you I'm not seeing anything coming up. I'm seeing it's in the past. In the past, whatever the challenge was, you have overcome it already. You have said goodbye to it already. Let's look at the another card, opportunity. So as you see, you have these beautiful tea leaf cards that say climbing towards success, a wish is granted, and this new card here says opportunity. So universe is sending you opportunity this week, and you may be able to utilize that opportunity and move towards success, move towards manifesting your goal, your wish. Universe has already written a check for you. All you have to do is encash that check. Thriving, very wonderful. So in this week you will be feeling very happy. You will be feeling healthy, happy, abundant, joyful, successful. If you see this bright light coming behind the tree, it shows that it's kind of a show. You will feel that you are in a premier show and you will enjoy your time. This is a unique animal as you see here. So this, you will be very unique. You will find that your situation is very unique, and whatever your wish was, it can be financial, it can be regarding your physical status, or maybe it can be regarding your relationships, but that wish will be granted and you will be thriving this week. Let's open some tarot cards and see what do you have. Judgment, forgiveness, mental conflict, Nine of Swords, understanding, King of Cups. Very much related to what we have read till now. So believe, if you see this number card, it says goodbye and then forgiveness. I believe something that was challenging, you have forgiven your past, you have forgiven it, you have said goodbye to it, and you are moving further. It was something that was giving you some mental tension, some conflict, but you have said goodbye to it. You have climbed that mountain and you are now, you have reached an understanding with whatever that people, person, or situation that was, and you are moving, you are sitting with a rainbow above your head with abundance, and you are cool, calm, and you are understanding. You have moved from whatever was troubling you, and now you are moving towards success. Six of Pentacles, gifts. The Wheel of Fortune, fate. Queen of Pentacles, growth. So what I am seeing is, my dear viewers, that the Six of Pentacles, you are not going to have any shortfall of material things. You are going to see that either you have so much that you are able to help others, or maybe someone is ready to help you. Maybe a new channel opens up in your career with opportunity to make more money. We have that opportunity card. It might bring opportunities for making more money. As you see, Lord of Pentacles, here also Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles always symbolizes that you are doing more with less. You are having all the resources for you, and you are making sure that you use your resources wisely to achieve your goal or to get your wish. As see, universe is conspiring in your direction, in your way. Your fate is to meet your goals, to meet your wish. And you see this wish tree, this card, this design on this card, a wish tree, and someone is granting wishes to these two people sitting here. So I believe in upcoming week you will have a nice time manifesting your goals, reaching your full potential. Now let's do charms reading. Let's pick up some charms for you. Please make sure you lower the volume, because these charms, I will shuffle them and it will make some noise. So here you go. Let's pick some charms. Let's see. Wings. Angel wings. So your angels are with you, my dear viewers. They will bless you. They'll always be near you, and you will see that you are guided and protected in no matter what the situation is. The next one that I have is a key. I hope I can focus it. Yes, you can see this key. So you are going to unlock greater opportunities towards making more money or towards any of the wish that you want. You will open that lock that was locked for some time. You will overcome that challenge, open that lock and enter towards success, towards freedom, towards the situation that will make you thrive. Oh my god, another key. So this is what it is. You definitely will get a key to unlock whatever your heart desires in this week. And the last one, a chalice. You see there are grapes in this chalice. So chalice is a symbol of love, it's a symbol of abundance. These grapes are symbol of abundance. You see it's full, the cup is full. So you are going to receive lot of love from people around you, and at the same time you will feel abundant. And universe is sending abundance towards your way, material prosperity. All these cards are talking about material prosperity and happiness in your life. So I believe that is what is there in the upcoming week. So this is what I have for you, my dear listeners. Thank you again for being here, and I hope that I'll see you in next reading. Till then, bye bye.